Theo. Theodore, say hi. You want color?
No.
The video. Say hi.
No.
Go hi. You don't want to say hi? You're going to steal the board though? Alright. Look at Mr. Muscles. Muscles. Preppy little Eli. What are you doing? Are you going to like fall out your car seat? You took it down with you, kiddo. There he goes. Theodore. Almost 2. Eli, almost 9 months. My boys. Theo, I love you. Bubby. Oh, you're going to sit in your booster in color? Yeah. Put him in your lap. Put him in your lap.
No.
Okay. Eli. Hey, Prep. I got you all dressed so cute. You eat the train.